welcome to another unboxing video. This is the part 2 of Lilith, the Century of Mary. From the previous video, we unboxed this Devil's Bargain. We already have this Devil's Bargain. So let's see kung ano ang susunod natin ma-unbox. Siya. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Wow, this one is the Black Bride. Okay, ito yung veil. Wow, napakaganda ng Black Bride na ito. Let's see the details. Tanggalin natin. Cute ng kanyang hair color. Okay. Wow. Look at the details. May pa-heart. Ay, hindi. I think this is a bloodstained. Parang ganun. Siya. Look at that. This is the card. Ayan. Sabi dito, Black Bride. So this is our second Lilith, the Black Bride. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.